welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the chroma key button in Capcut PC. So the chroma key can be used if you want to get rid of a certain color in your video, like this. For example, I want to get rid of this blue black background in this video. So what you guys need to do is just click on the clips, and then after that, in under the video, you need to go to cutout, and here you need to click on this box right here to turn on the chroma key button. So just click on that and then click on the color picker and then drag the color picker into the color that you want to get it. So for example, I want to get rid these blue colors, and then next just swipe to the right on the string like this. You don't want to make it too big because it will also affect the object in the video. So I'm going to just go with 5, okay, 4, and then you can also adjust the shadow. So after that, the video will look like this. Okay, if you don't want to, you can just turn off the chroma key again. And this chroma key can also be used if you want to add like a green screen overlay to your video. So for example, I want to add this subscribe button in my video. So just click on the overlay video and then do the same steps. So just click on the color picker, drag it to the green screen, and adjust the strength and also the shadow. Okay, and then you can always adjust the position like this, so the video will go like that. Okay guys, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to click on the thanks below. I will really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.